What up YouTube, it's the Internet Income Ninja back with another amazing video on how you can earn money online. Before I jump into this method of earning money online, I'm encouraging you to hit that subscribe button. See, it looks like this one right there. Hit that, then press that, the notification bell, and then like, comment and share, and that allows you to be the first in line when it comes to earning money online, because once you do those things, you're notified whenever a video comes out from the Internet Income Ninja. Making money can be competitive, and you want all the advantages you can get while trying to do so. So before I jump into the video, check the links in the description below, because those links teach you how to earn $1,000 per day online. Imagine being able to do that from the comfort of your home, or from the comfort of your hotel room, or from the comfort of a friend's house that you're visiting. You can work and make money from anywhere as long as you have an internet connection and the will to succeed. Alright, so check those links and you're well on your way to learning how to earn $1,000 or more online. Now, what this video is about, it's about an app called OfferUp. And OfferUp is the simplest, most trusted way to buy and sell locally. Now, when it says locally, they're talking about within the United States. Okay? Now, you can get the app on Android or Apple or iOS. Okay? You can get started in less than 30 seconds when you download the free app. Now, if you're a buyer, what you will do is browse deals on tons of great items nearby. So you're probably asking, what do you mean browse deals on tons of great items nearby? Well, here's how it works. OfferUp is a cross between, you can think of it as a cross between Craigslist and eBay. Now, pretty much what happens is you will take pictures of products, so you're selling products that you don't need anymore. It could be a car, it could be clothing, it could be picture frames, art pieces, pottery, you name it, you can sell it. So if you have a bunch of old stuff around the place, then what you will do is take photos of them. So these are examples of items that are for sale. Okay, this is an old vintage camera, an old sofa, a vase, a VW bus. Okay, so you're trying to sell something, you take a photo of it, you upload it to your profile. Okay, if you're a buyer, you message the seller, or if you're a seller, expect messages from buyers whether near you or within the United States. So after that, it's pretty much a negotiation to decide. I mean, you already set your price, but you'll decide shipping. You'll talk about the condition of the product, how it works, how well it doesn't work, what condition it's in, if does it need any fixing up, just stuff like that before the person makes a purchase. And again, you're going to sort out shipping. Traditionally or historically, what used to happen was, like Craigslist, you would meet the person in person and you would sell them the item and collect the money. But what happens now is that OfferUp now allows people to just do shipping, and you can collect the money electronically. Alright, so you sell your old stuff, and I imagine a lot of people will sell vintage items like this old school Singer sewing machine right here. There's old school lighted signs, tool sets, and it's literally that simple. You set your profile up, you take pictures of items you have for sale, you post pictures with descriptions of its condition and just general things people need to know about it. When buyers see your products, they will message you and ask you, if they want to buy it as is, fine, or they might ask questions about it. They make their purchase. Depending on what the item is, you can ship it to people, or you could arrange for delivery or pickup. And it's literally that simple. So if you have some spare time on your hands with a bunch of stuff around the house that you're trying to get rid of, maybe during the pandemic or lockdown you've noticed that there's a bunch of junk in your way, there's a bunch of stuff that you want to take off your hands or let go off your hands or whatever you want to call it, you can actually arrange for those things to be sold on OfferUp to someone who, probably has more use for that thing. Alright? So that's probably one of the easiest ways I've seen to earn money online and cleaning your place up. So you're still on lockdown. I know places are beginning to open up, but you're still working from home, you're still inside. You can start going through your old stuff, checking your attic, checking your basement, just going into boxes that you typically walk past every day, and just see what you don't need and see what you do need, and just let them go on OfferUp and make money online. Or what you can do is check the links in the description below, click on them, watch the free videos, enter your information, get started, learn, and invest in yourself to start earning $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 per day. While you're at it, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. It will look like this. Smash the notification bell, like, comment, and share so that you can be first in line on earning money online. This is the Internet Income Ninja. Thanks so much for watching. I'll leave a link to this app in the description below. I hope you use it, and when you use it, just let me know in the comments what you think, what your experience has been, and just how awesome that thing is. Alright, gang? So share it with your friends, share it with your family, share it with people hoard stuff. Hint hint, get rid of your junk. But again, this is the Internet Income Ninja. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.